What do you want to do for dinner tonight?
I think we should go to Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, you know I love a good cheesecake.
Yeah, wait, are we taking the Miata?
Oh, you know I love a good
which one
Miata.
though? Yeah, which one?
Let's do the little yellow one.
Little yellow one?
I love the yellow.
Okay,
Yeah, it's really nice.
that thing's cute.
Here, let me get the door for you here.
Oh, thanks.
Here, after you, man.
Wow. Oh,
Yeah,
this is
of course,
amazing.
dude. Anything for my sugar bug. I love that we're going to Cheesecake.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be amazing.
Oh, honey, look, the Z3. Oh my
wow.
God, that's so cute. Hey, dude. Hey.
In a Miata, should have got a Z3.
Oh my God.
Why did he call us that?
I'm offended.
He's such a nice gentleman, I thought.
I think he clearly voted for Trump.
Trumpers. We're ready for a good night tonight.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, hey.
Dude, did you hear about the whole Danny Duncan thing? The Miatas are
What are you talking about?
forever, dude.
What?
How many
don't
you
say.
got?
What? Enough? Like 5 or 6? Wait, he called them.
Yep, dude, check it out.
No. Give me that. I really like Danny Duncan.
I love Danny
Honey.
Duncan.
Oh my God. I bought the world's drift car.
No, and it has
Oh no.
1.1 million views.
My name's Ricer Miata.
Oh no. Oh babe, it's okay.
We should just make the possible drift car of all times. If you're in the car community, then you know the Mazda Miata is hands down the car that you could possibly acquire or purchase or find on Marketplace.
Why are you laughing?
I think this is hilarious.
Oh my God. That thing's pretty sick.
Oh my God,
I like it.
dude.
I like this thing. It is.
It's so good.
I think it's in a good way though.
Look at
Yeah.
Who's buying a Miata and being like, dude, this car's so sick?
you.
It's crazy.
I honestly, I actually don't hate it. It's impressive that he can drift though. Like he's doing some donuts pretty good.
Does that count as drifting?
Does it? I guess not, because you could
yeah,
just kind
I
of
don't
turn the
know,
wheel
yeah.
all the way to the left.
I'm not sure if that counted.
If you want your company name right here,
I want my company name.
email.
I think he's memeing like FD.
We didn't even have
Sounds like it.
I don't know if he knows what FD
Oh
is.
yeah, shout out those guys. Shout out Drift HQ.
Yo, shout out to those guys. Yo, Drift HQ was in on it. My real question is, does Danny actually drift? Like, can he drift?
I mean, I'm sure if he really wanted to, he probably would be fire at it.
Dude, I think it's kind of cool that he got a Miata. I don't think Miatas are. I think he
Okay.
made it.
I think Miatas are for sure.
You think they're?
Yeah.
Why are they?
It's just like the stigma. Like even when we were young, they were known as like the hairdresser car.
You know what's
like,
funny? You actually got me into Miatas.
Hey, I thought it was a cheap,
You liked
affordable
it. You
drift
did
car.
not, when you got your first Miata, you did not think it was.
Yeah, you're right.
You did.
I thought it was sick.
And you, honestly, yours was.
It was similar to that. It looked pretty.
Yours was baby blue.
Yeah.
It had the pink wheels.
Yeah, it
but
did.
that was the first car I drove standard, and I fell in love with it. And dude, I'm not even trying to meme right now. I loved the dildo shifter.
It wasn't even a dilly though. It was like
I
the
wasn't,
bubble, like
but
the
it was like that
JDM bubble
eBay
shifter.
skinny one.
Dude.
You call it the dildo shifter.
Yeah, no,
you know
it
what
was
I
the
mean?
dilly for sure.
But this guy is actually the one that made me fall in love with the shifters.
And here we
With
are.
the shifter.
Yeah,
With
here we
the
are. Yeah,
Miata.
sitting in a
Here
Miata
we
right
are.
now, dude.
I have a Miata in Florida. It would be actually sick to meet up with him. If he actually saw this and he thought this was funny, obviously we're not. That was funny.
I think I might be.
Well, obviously one of us might be, but I have a Miata. It's turboed and everything. It's way cooler than this piece of shit, and I'd let him blow it up for sure.
We don't even know if this is sick or is it literally NA.
It's NA for sure. I mean, you can hear it. He did the donuts and shit.
Oh my god, dude.
That old dude does not know how to drift.
Oh yeah, dude.
He does not know how to drift at all. Real talk, I think it looks cool. I like the vibe of the car.
I mean,
the whole.
If you took the text off the side, it would be kind of sick.
Yeah, I agree with that 100%. But the music and shit, this is a vibe. Obviously it's a joke, but it's not that bad of a car.
Is he actually gonna take drifting serious? Is he pulling the T-Pain?
Yo!
Oh, wait, is that him driving?
That was
Okay.
him. That was Steezy
Okay.
as fuck. Dude, imagine seeing Danny Duncan at a drift event. Oh, that wasn't him.
No, back
wasn't
it
him.
up. Back it up.
That wasn't him.
I'm not gonna name the other guy that did some shit
No,
like
but
that.
I think they're just having fun in it. I don't think he was trying to act
Okay, I was
like it
gonna
was
say,
his.
I hope he's
But
not,
that's Danny right there.
I hope he's not pretending.
I think they're just taking turns.
Scrutinize the footage.
The music's fire.
Pause it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, it's his boy.
yep.
But his boy, he said his boy was into drifting.
Yeah.
But he's the one that dropped the tire. Danny might be
yeah.
better, dude.
Nah, that's big dick in it.
No,
they're
it is
killing
big
it
dick.
with this shot.
Especially in an NA Miata. I don't know if
Yeah.
that nitrous actually worked. But
I hope
NA
so.
Miata to swing that pretty hard, and like obviously he's in second. There's no way he's in third, and first I think would run out of gear. But that was sick.
Owner's manual of this Miata. It's been passed down to generations, but it's pretty cool.
Congratulations. Ah! That's good. I like that.
No, he got us good.
I like that.
Come on down to the Inglewood Drift Club.
Yo, I'll come down.
That was sick.
Is that a real invite?
Shit.
Oh, that was Danny. That was huge.
Dude,
That was a
if
big
that
flick.
was like turbo and shit, he'd be fire. I
wonder
would
what-
switch the wheel though. The steering wheel's not the move.
I wonder what the ankle kit is and stuff, because like it looks like it's
It
got
looks- yeah, it looks
like it
pretty
looks like
sorted.
it's pretty good. And for someone that's never driven a Miata or drifted one before, like a Miata is the
Yeah, they
hardest
suck.
drift car to drift.
They suck for
because the
sure.
wheelbase is so short, so like it's super snappy.
Yeah.
You know? So it's impressive that he hopped in and just did that. Oh, the rest
That's
is
it,
the
yeah,
rest is
no
about
more.
the dirt bike.
All right.
Nah, straight up, dude. Like I wanna try to convince him that like it could be cool.
I don't think
Or
we're
you think-
convincing him it's cool. I think if he for some reason responds to this, we have to bring the 180 in the JZX. If he's like, okay, come show me something cool. We have to show up with actually cool cars, not this.
Nah, if he actually wanted to do something, like we'd have to bring the rights.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Because I'd blow it up for him. You know, like I would or he can blow it up. Like I want to see how long, and I don't think he will. Like I don't think
You don't think
he'll
he's gonna be able to grenade the Ricer Miata?
I don't think so. Like I'm down to put, because it's got Workmeisters on, so we'll put like some
Yeah,
shit
like
in the back.
bullshit ones
But
on,
I'm
yeah.
down to let him bang rev limiter until that thing blows up.
But, okay, so hypothetically, this like you DM him, it all works out. Are we going to like OSW? Are we hitting like the compound? Like
I'm down to do-
street all night. Like
I'm down to do whatever he would want, to be
Okay.
honest. Like, and we'll wedge it out, dude. I'll bring the fucking LS car and the
Yeah,
JZ. You know, we can
yeah.
have the best of all worlds. We'll have Miata.
Yeah.
We'll have the JZX is just a
Ignorant,
a
dude.
weapon.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, dude, he'll love that
Yeah,
car
for
for sure. And we'll bring the LS car, because that car is just sick in general.
Yeah.
Like that car, you just get in and go, and he can drive all of them.
How about don't bring the JZ, bring the LS car, the Jenny. Danny Duncan totals it, smokes a chassis. It's
Yeah.
like kind of a color scheme or
Yeah, but if
whatever.
he totaled the LS car, like I wanted to reshell it anyways.
Yeah,
you
true.
know?
Well, we don't know. You might give him the keys to that car, and
he might
he's like
slay.
God level. Yeah, he's
To be
like
honest,
FD
like,
level.
If you know like about counter steering and shit, like the LS car would be fire.
Yeah,
like, for
clearly
anyone.
he's fucking fine. Like,
Yeah, no,
he
clearly-
can drive.
But I feel like Danny's also one of those guys that he's just like good at everything.
Yeah,
Like you
he
watch
is.
his videos, dude.
Yeah.
He'll just like maybe it's one take, maybe it's not. You never know.
Yeah.
But like he throws a football, that motherfucker lands in the garbage can like first tee.
Yeah,
I'm like, yo,
yeah.
I'll go outside. I'll try that. I'll like hit Grillo in the mouth or something. on accident,
he's
you
good
know?
at sports for sure.
But yeah, no, I like the car.
Well, what's the conclusion? Miatas, like, are we
Are
upset
Miatas-
that he's memeing it?
No, I don't
Okay.
actually give a damn. Like
Alright.
I thought it was funny to like maybe just do a little skit, you know, like just kind of
yeah.
play the part and
We-
everything.
We played the part.
I actually like the car.
You might be a little.
I genuinely like the design of it. Like, you know, like I don't think it's like ugly.
On that note,
Is it ugly?
no, I'm kidding. It's I mean, as I've gotten older, my tastes have changed. Clearly, I think it's ugly.
Okay.
I don't think it's.
Throw it down in the comments.
car.
You guys think Danny Duncan's car is ugly? Obviously, it's a meme. Obviously, it was for fun and everything, and I think it was sick. And this video was just for fun too. We just thought we would just kind of meme back, just because
Yeah.
I'm Racer Miata, you
You
know.
are
So it
Racer
was just like
Miata.
when everyone, like at least 6 of my friends, like sent me like, "Yo, did you see this?" And I'm like, "Oh, that's funny."
Yeah.
You know, like I think that was sick. Yeah, I mean, if Danny ever watches this, if he wants to blow up my Miata and actually kill the Racer Miata,
Oh,
you know,
the legendary.
it's literally the OG Ricer, and like it would be legendary
Yeah.
if Danny fucking put her in the grave, you know?
Yeah.
Like I don't want it totaled, but like I'm happy to see that engine explode. It's got like probably 300 horsepower. The thing fucks real good. And I think we can make a pretty good episode about everything and just see what we can get into. Let us know what you guys think, and hopefully one day, maybe we'll get a collab. If not, fuck it. Just hold my hand.
All right. This. Oh, your hand is nasty. Oh,
Shut up.
dude, your hands are fucking
You know, I'm
so coarse, dude.
I really like Danny Duncan.
I love Danny
Honey.
Duncan. You're really good at acting super.
Do you think so?
Yeah, for sure, dude. For sure.